No, it's okay na.
It's okay na.
The time na, no? What do you want?
Choco cake mix.
Na naman. Sarap.
310 grams.
So, you
Can you
need
please
that
turn
one?
on?
Oh, sige.
Can you
I'll
please
get.
turn on? Yeah. Let's check.
Tapos kailangan naka-pair mo muna yung
Pair?
timbang para hindi masama yung timbang ng color ko. Kailangan pag-ilapan nyo po.
Ay, ilalapag mo.
Wait lang. Kasi yung syrup ko siya, pag tinimbang nyo siya, ay 224. Kaya hindi lang po. Para hindi naman.
Ayan, ngayon.
Pieces.
Okay. We need 310 grams. We need more.
Pwede mag...
Maybe Zola can put it. Zola can put it.
Are you sure?
Careful of
Anyway.
lava.
All of it?
Ay, eto. Pwede ilapit here.
Ah, okay.
It's gonna be all full.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna get na lang. 300, no?
That scissors for what?
Also for
Oh.
Zozo. Careful. Hi.
Sorry.
It's okay. 249 pala.
Pero dapat.
310.
Then what? What do we put inside here?
Saan mo?
Ganda ka ng butangan pa.
What do
Huh?
we put
Ganun
inside
talaga?
here?
I don't know. Siya nakali sa video.
Oh.
Oh, baka. Sobra na.
What do we put inside here?
I don't know yet.
Here.
Why do they have we're gonna make also?
There we go. Mama
Then
did
what?
great.
Sasunod ba yun?
And
Then what?
the oil.
Oil.
Pero?
Enter mo na eh.
Oo. 65. Iha man sini.
Oil, siya to ng butang sa oil.
Oo. Ano oil? Can you do it, Zo?
Oil.
2 hands, please.
Too much?
Nope. We need more until this becomes 65.
Here, I'll be here. Yes. Is that 65?
Oh,
65.
naglampas. Okay.
65?
Yeah. And then we need under the
Okay, and then
we need this one. Silicone cool cake mold. 6-inch CDs. Black siya nga pre.
I thought that's where we put the ingredients.
And then we need warm water.
Warm water.
Ito? Warm na po
Oh
yan.
my gosh.
120
Where
grams.
is she? She just changed to there, Pa. She just changed. She just...
Okay, I'll...
Don't you worry, little, don't you, baby. Don't you make me nothing makes you proud. Make the
What are you doing, Go?
world baking a cake. I'm baking a cake. I'm making a cake.
Pag-off
I'm
din
baking a cake. I'm baking a cake.
what are you
I'm
doing?
baking a cake. Baking a cake.
We're baking a cake.
Here's the eggs. Here's the ingredients.
What are you gonna do? Mag-mix
We're
here.
gonna
Ay,
start.
ano ba yun? Alayin lock mo ko sa pangabon. Kulang pa.
That's na.
baking the cake. We're baking the cake.
Yeah. This one first. Is it even?
Yeah.
No, there's not enough. Hindi nakakita mo. And put it on the bowl. Ah! It's okay. Let me see. Keep going.
I'm doing it my own.
Uh-huh. Okay, you can do that too.
So that it'll get more icing.
Make sure it's here. More, please. Careful not to touch that.
Oh my gosh. Where'd I put
One drop, please. Up. Wow, one
That's
drop.
3 drops.
It's okay. You're trying your best. One drop. Okay.
Okay, spatula ko na.
There was a little too.
Same na
A
tanan.
big one.
Mabimbil.
Junk. Good. Go, go, come.
Nak, look here and say hi.
Hello. Get
Zola.
I'm making chocolate cake. I'm making rainbow
Zola,
chocolate
Zola,
cake.
what? 1, 2, 3, go.
Nine.
Yeah, squeeze it, please.
Where?
This one here.
What? Milk. Where's that milk?
No, it's actually I don't know. I think it's cream.
Because it looks like milk.
Okay.
What? Ma. What have you done?
The woman said we put some more.
Okay.
Give me, 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 give me.
Okay.
I'm so excited to try this.
Paano siya pag ganun? I-flip ba siya? Ah, okay.
Make sure nyo lang kung naka-center siya sa circle para hindi ko mahirapan na
Ma'am, yung paglagay nito ma'am pag ganun? Okay.
What's your name?
Ay, ano mo?
Hindi sugad.
Sige, oh. Ano saan atin ba niya?
Like that. Oh yeah, I can touch it. Because what if it would get messy?
It's not working. Spread it on top.
You because you're not following.
Yeah, we're not ready. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay.
We say the rainbow. We're making the rainbow spot. It went to the orange.
Wow! So nice! Look, it's so nice! Wow! Wow!
This one here.
Oh, no, it's okay. Here. Oh, okay.
What's that?
Wait lang. May urgent kasi ma.
Ta-da! Here.
Okay. And then,
Green.
use this hand to pick some up. And then sprinkle around.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
I'm not an expert
May
either.
13 minutes na na.
Eh, tapos na.
Tapos na.
Come on, anak.
This is. I'm done with my cake. Cake by Zola and Bon Appetit.
What do you face here?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm done with my cake and served by Zola.